He said, please make his milk. Where did they go? Charge! Just kidding. You look the same. You look like me. You're super laughing earlier, right? Okay, ate. 1, 2, 3, go. Si palaka sa may sapa, palaging masaya. Walang ipin, walang buntot, ngunit siya'y maganda. Agak, gak, gak, agak, gak, gak. Agari, gari, gak, gak, gak. Ipalaka sa may sapa, palaging masaya. Walang ipin, walang buntot, ngunit siya'y maganda. He's bored, beautiful friends. Last night, he was in a Christmas party. Yeah! He's in a Christmas party. He just finished eating. He drank his milk. His sister is reading a book. And this is David. Pagod ako, be. Ang sakit ang likod ko. Grabe. Pero ang cute niya na, no? He's so chubby, chunky. He's near 1 year old. Are you near 1 year old, David? It's so fast. When are you going to talk? You're still a baby. Stay being cute, huh, David? King, king, king. Ari, king, king. Just soft. Ari, king, king, king. You pray, David, pray. Pray. Ang cute niya na, be, no? Para siyang, doll.